In downtown Fort Wayne, you can't hardly turn the corner without bumping into a new development. The Bradley, the Pearl, the Fairfield, the Landing. But Fort Wayne has some amazing downtown staples that have been here all along, like J.K. O'Donnell's, the Dash Inn, and don't forget, Midtowne Crossing, developed in 1989 with over 100 condominiums. Let's go check one of them out today. Safety, of course, is important in downtown, so you have a secure lobby entrance so only you and your guests can access the building. This unit has one available parking spot in the attached parking garage. So this right here is where your car can live. No need to worry about that extra storage. Every unit comes with its own storage locker here in the basement of the building. It's not a lot to look at right now, but this second level terrace patio comes alive in the summer. It is truly the social center of the building with grilling areas, tons of outdoor seating, beautiful planters. It's truly the perfect place to host company. If the building's gym isn't enough for you, don't forget you're within walking distance to 2 YMCAs. 300. Yeah. For your everyday trash, there's a trash chute just down the hall, but for your big items, there's dumpsters in the alleyway. Here we are at Unit 302. When you first come in, you walk right into the galley kitchen with granite countertops and lots of cabinetry storage. And actually, if you don't love these Seinfeld cabinets, it's really common for homeowners in this building to just go ahead and take these out to create more of an open feel. But one of the best and unique features of this unit is that you actually have your own in-unit laundry. Out of over 100 units in Midtowne Crossing, only a handful of units have that amenity. Now this is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom unit. So when you walk in, you've got one of the full bathrooms right off the side here for guests, but it also connects and attaches to one of the full bedrooms as well. Now this unit has new engineered hardwood floors, big new windows, and the best feature of this unit is it's on the 3rd floor, which means you have 12-foot ceilings. These are the highest ceilings in the entire building. And this bedroom is its own true primary ensuite with a private bathroom and a large walk-in closet. So that's Midtowne Crossing, Unit 302. Call me today for your private tour, and I'll take you to J.K. O'Donnell's for a pint afterwards. That's where I'm heading right now.